Spiros. 1986. 35 years old is she? Last year, 2002. The healthcare center on Kone tier 6 to 8. Or Pitäjänmäki terveysasema.
Yes.
Helsinki Sports Kuusemani on Finland. The general stage 64053. The capacity is 10 persons on 100 grams. It's going to be expected in 2024. Another amazing fight here. I really like this a lot.
Yes, same here. Flooring kettle should have been green.
Yeah, it was just changed. Must have been green originally.
Yeah.
But maybe it was too dim.
Yeah.
Probably the only one in the building.
Yeah.
Nobody's coming yet.
Yeah.
I think we can do a second.
Iskuttiin by Lift Control Finland, maintained by Schiller.
A bit loud.
Yeah.
There used to be the emergency phone, but it was covered with tape.
Yeah.
It was covered with tape. Probably it's empty.
Yeah.
Well, who knows? In some of these, they still have it preserved. You forgot to take it away.
Yeah.
I would say not this era. The 80s and early 90s.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we also have to check if this was the beginning of 1986 or not.
Yeah.
Because it's not impossible, it is. It feels a bit like that.
Yeah.
Back to the first one. There it has two sensors.
Yeah.
Some of these have it. Today was the 26th of October 2022. Alright, that's it.
That's